Activity Joys!
Hey, art explorers! Today we're exploring the wonderful world of sand painting. Are you ready? Just look at this. Do you like how it turned out? Wow, that was fun! Let's keep exploring and see what we can create in the next video.